Unlocking the Path to Language Mastery, Episode 1, The Art of Learning English. Introduction. Welcome to the first episode of our Learn English series, where we embark on a journey together to explore the language realm and the treasure trove of knowledge that learning English offers. Learning a new language is not only a challenge, but also an exciting adventure towards a deeper understanding of the world and expanding communication horizons. Part 1. Introduction to the importance of learning English. In this modern age, English has become the global language, serving as the primary means for international understanding and cross-cultural communication. Proficiency in speaking and writing English opens doors to a world of opportunities, allowing individuals to connect with people from diverse backgrounds and cultures. Parts of the benefits of English proficiency. Mastering English brings a myriad of benefits. It enhances career prospects, as many multinational companies use English as their working language. It also facilitates access to a vast wealth of knowledge, as a significant portion of the world's literature, scientific research, and online content is available in English. Additionally, English proficiency is a key asset for travel, enabling you to navigate and communicate effectively in various regions around the globe. Part 3. Overcoming challenges in learning English. Learning a new language comes with its challenges, but it's essential to embrace the process. Whether it's grasping grammar rules, expanding your vocabulary, or perfecting pronunciation, each hurdle is a stepping stone towards fluency. We'll explore effective strategies and resources to make your learning journey smoother and more enjoyable. Part 4. Our learning adventure. Editor, join us on this exciting adventure as we delve into the intricacies of the English language. In future episodes, we'll cover essential language skills, practical tips for daily practice, and engaging activities to reinforce your learning. Together, we'll navigate the fascinating world of English, fostering a community of language enthusiasts committed to continuous improvement. Conclusion. Learning English is not just about acquiring a new skill. It's about opening doors to new possibilities and connecting with the global community. Stay tuned for more episodes in our Learn English series, where we embark on this enriching journey together. Remember, your journey to language mastery begins here.